everyone, how are you today? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay, now I want to read some article about Indonesian World launches the first 3D city environment downtown Dubai. Okay, the ever-growing Indonesian world community can now have a trial through the 3D render of the most modern version of Dubai. This Ownage metaverse and blockchain-based platform has just launched in March anticipated first 3D city environment downtown Dubai. Built on the latest Unreal Engine technology, in total it took more than 50 buildings and other objects for the team of industry, professionals, engineers, and artists to create the 3D depiction of future Dubai. Some buildings are not built yet in the real world. The release marks a solid updates to the company's original product. Through the dimensional geo-based map which enables users to move around the globe and explore digital real estate as part of a stellar Web3 experience. Through the 3D environment, users gain the exclusive possibility to immerse themselves in a digital replica of the city of Dubai and experience the metropolis with their own eyes, all without needing to travel or spinning from this earth. This world metaverse differs from those of other platforms in that it is trying to create a fantasy world. Instead, it focuses on feelings of familiarity and recognition as a way to challenge the way people perceive architecture and explore the world around them. The basis of our 3D downtown Dubai on a number of authentic photographs available online. To accurately interpret how the building and streets look, each image gathered from satellite navigation software and well as a variety of their sources. Again, was meticulously examined and studied to deliver an exceptional result. The design team explained, we aim to create an environment which stimulates and excites the user senses. The team also reviewed its blueprint and of building that in the real world and still being developed, giving users an inspirational preview of how the city will look in the near future. Some of the buildings which are present in the metaverse will only be finished in real life at the end of 2023. So in fact, we are giving our user a one-of-a-kind opportunity to explore what the city could possibly look like in the future. They will be able to say that they saw it before it was even built. The team service gamifies user experience. Besides working on designing, the creator have also invested resources into developing a seamless, user-friendly experience. First, when joining the metaverse, user will need to log into an existing account or sign up. They will then be able to pick one of two avatars to represent them while exploring the city. Okay, maybe just enough from me. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.